Hello, Habibie here. I am introducing a simple and nice PHP program to make an online registration and RSVP system. What you see here is a demonstration of this program when it is set up correctly. In this page you can fill in your registration information such as name, email address, and so on. Then click Submit to register. Notice that you will get an automatic confirmation email after you click the Submit button, notifying that the registration is confirmed. You can log into admin panel to see who has been registered so far. Default username and password for both is word admin. This program also offering feedback submission form. Feedback results are available on admin panel. You need to export the registration data as an Excel file? No worries. By single button click you will be able to export it. Get this program from the link below. Thank you for watching this video. Support me by becoming my subscriber, like and share this video. See you on my next videos.